inside, you have this white interior that, yeah, this one's good. It's really oily. This one really much so. Really oily if you rub it around in your fingers. If you want to take one, you can, if you want to feel it yourself. But these oils are incredibly good for your skin, for burns, rashes, sunburns, hair conditioner. And just to give you an idea what we're going to be doing. It's going to be easy concrete sidewalk for a little while, and then we get onto this material called tuff. It's compacted down volcanic ash, and it's really easy to trip on, so just be careful. But we're going to be going up switchbacks after switchbacks. Eventually we'll get to this platform. This platform is a photo stop, basically. This platform was where an old cable winch is located. I was able to haul up heavy materials up the side of the mountain. But it's the first point where we can see the ocean, so we're definitely going to stop and get some pictures there. After that, we got stairs. Everyone's got to go up these stairs, 74 stairs, and then there's a long tunnel after that. It's lighted though. After that, we make a decision, or you guys make a decision. We can split up. You can go up the more historic, harder, steeper way. You go up through the fire control watchtower, through that old military installation, up the 3-story spiral staircase, and you exit out right here. Or you can go up a more sloping way on the side of the mountain. It's easier, it's breezier. You can take your time on it too. Maybe you go check this out.